Hi, if you're looking for an online reward system app that you can use during your session instead of bringing along with you a token board, then this video is for you. Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel, and please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet. Have a great day. So just go to the App Store and you can type Tokenat and then search. Then you can download the app this time. So this is how the app is looking, and we will just try to open it. So click open. And this is how the app looks like. This is the first page upon opening it. So let's go and explore. And you can see at the upper left-hand corner a small box. So let's go get ahead and click that one. And it will bring you to settings. We have our settings here. We have the work slots, and you can actually change one from 1 up to 25 slots. So meaning the number of tokens that you are going to give. But this time we are going to choose 5 for that one for now. All right, and then the next that we have here is the work text. So I'm working for what? So you can change the text here, and as well as the winning text. Like you won, whatever words you want to put in there, it's gonna be fine. It's up to you. And then we have here the icon option. You can choose from star, happy face, car, flower, tick, thumbs up, cat, dog, horse, elephant, hero boy, hero girl, or dog. It's actually upon your learner's preference or what gives your learners a reinforcing icon. So you are going to give that one. So here I choose the star, and then for the gift icon, next to progress icon, you can also change that one. So what are you working for? Are you working for an iPhone? Are you working for a toy, playground, food, video games, computer, TV, shopping, and many more options? So for this time, I'm gonna choose iPhone. So I'm working for an iPhone because that's what my learner wants to work for. Next one is the success sound. We have also here, and you can change that as well. So there are choices, options here, which you can choose from. But this time I'm going to choose tada as the sound icon. And after the sound icon, we have the loose sound. So it's up to you. You can also choose from there as well. And there are many choices and options here for the sounds that you can choose from. There is success, trumpet, to win, winning, tada, good result. And for the background also, you can choose from the ones that is already available in the app. It's up to you which one do you like or which your learner likes best, because after all we have to reinforce our learner. And for the background, winning background also, there are fireworks there that you can choose from. And just change it. And for the language, you can select. So I'm clicking English, of course. And the sound effect, you can turn it on, background as well. So this is how the app is working right now. Let's just try because I'm picking up 5 slots. Here you go. I'm working for the iPhone because maybe during your preference assessment, what is reinforcing for your learner is to play with the iPhone or to have the iPhone as well. So let's just try this one. First token given. It's up to you how many minutes are you going to give that. So second one, third one, fourth one, and the fifth one. So after the fifth one, it says work again, and you can conduct another preference assessment for you to know what is reinforcing for your learner to work on. And it's going to be very important for us to know what is reinforcing to our learners. That's why we are conducting a preference assessment so that they will not be satiated with the reinforcement that we are giving to them previously. Actually, we can swap from the most preferred item to the next one during the preference assessment just to avoid satiation of our learner during the session, and it can really help. And this is very useful, especially if you are having a one-to-one session with a client and the child is very motivated to see their achievement in a gadget, especially this time that most of the children are into gadgets. So they love to see those stars, those smiley faces in there, and it can really motivate them as well. So really good. That would be all for this app review, guys, and I just hope this can help because for me, I really love using this app. Aside from being a user-friendly app, it's very comfortable for us to bring this one during our session instead of bringing with us this token board. So this is really helpful. For any comments or suggestion, any question, you can just drop down your comments below. I really love to hear your comments or suggestions. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, have a good day and God bless.